Al the Eagle isn't just a visitor at Highlands Elementary School. He's a legend. When Dr. Ashlee Langley stepped into her role as assistant principal in 2024, one of the first things she learned about was Al and his towering tree, a beloved symbol of the school's spirit and tradition.
It's just part of the history and the tradition here. When you'd come in the morning, he'd be perched in it, or both eagles would be in it. So it's a major feature on our campus.
For years, Al's tree was the first thing you saw when you arrived on campus.
He was living in that tree for quite a while, and then that tree was struck by lightning and it died. And unfortunately, we had to cut it down recently.
Though the original tree is gone, Al has found a new perch on the school's grounds, continuing to inspire curiosity and learning among students.
It is a great learning experience for our students. They see the predator-prey relationships. They learn a lot about science standards in general, camouflage, animal adaptations. Sometimes we find feathers in the back of our school, which are protected. So, we have to teach the students about that as well, and the symbolism of bald eagle.
To honor Al's legacy and celebrate a new chapter for Highlands Elementary School, Dr. Langley planted a new tree.
So this new tree is obviously a new home for Al, but it also symbolizes new growth and change here at our school and just becoming the best school we can be.